What's up, TNS family? Welcome back to our channel.
It's your fake girl, Sera.
It's your boy, Tuxx.
And...
let's go. Alright, so, guys, we forgot to, record everything else, jumping on the boat and stuff. We are on the boat. I'll show you. I don't think I've been on this boat before. We usually, when we go on the ferry, to Savaii, I've only ever been on the bigger one.
Big one, yeah.
But not this one. So I don't know. It looks pretty scary. I think. Hopefully the ocean's not too wavy in that. So
yeah, because I get really bad seasick.
Yeah.
And I brought travel what is it, honey?
Seasick pills.
Seasick pills, that travel pill, and I forgot it at the hotel.
Yeah, so, and plus this is the first time Tor's been on a boat.
Yeah.
It's the first time Son's been on a boat. Don't know how he's gonna handle it. He's handling everything else like a champ, so I'm pretty sure he'll be fine. But yeah, fam, we're gonna duck off to Savaii for a little bit.
And we're gonna bring you guys along.
We'll see you guys on the water.
Bye.
Actually, I'll turn you guys back on. I just wanted to show you guys. Man, it's like Lego here. They're just Tetris, sorry. It's like Tetris.
And they're so
good at doing everything in nicely. And there's they know exactly how many cars can fit on the boat. All the guys spotting the vehicles, they know how to direct you properly. So I think we might have to talk to Robbo, get them a job at the union, put them in the tunnel, because these are what you call spotters. Shout out to all the spotters. Oh, and our breakfast. Tor loves these. We got some kekema moi.
I do it.
We ended up getting some water. And just that little whakau. Oh, and a Sprite can.
How much?
Just that little whakau, guess.
37.
Yeah, I think about that.
Oh.
Bang on, bang on. Yeah, fam. Holy. You see people up here, along the sides. I think there's people, oh yeah. People up there, and once you bring your car in, you're stuck in here, brother. No moving, no nothing. Luckily it's not a long as ride. What is it?
How long? I don't know, I can't remember. An hour?
I think, yeah.
Or 45 minutes?
I think it might be close to that, eh? See ya, let's go. See ya. We're off. Watching this one. Some of the fam here. Got pasta and that over there, some of that in front, and we're off. Thank God, it's nice and smooth. Look at that. Wouldn't even tell we're on the water. It's water. It's alright, he's just a little bit hot and fussy.
And he's bored.
Over there, guys, I don't know if you can see, got Mangongo.
Take your shoes off.
That's Apolima. One day I'll make it over there. One day. But we're headed over there.
Lila, come here. Oh, you'll take that one. Okay. Thank you, dear. Is that it?
The original.
Oh, you want the original? Oh, yes. Yeah. Thank you. Welcome. Okay guys, we just finished coming out from Frankie Mall. We went and got some groceries because we're gonna go see my husband's dad's family who is here in Savaii, Savaii. So we just got them a few things to just drop off to them, say hello, and then
yeah, we're just gonna go about our day, see what else we can do for the rest of the day. I don't know what we can do, turtles or
maybe
blowholes, waterfall,
waterfall,
you name it. We can do it all right now and then sleep tomorrow. But yeah, we'll make sure we turn it on and see you guys there.
Okay guys, had to quickly get changed. We stopped off to get some more stuff from the dairy that's not far from Taru's family house. Shout out to our sister Zariah back in Melbourne. This is the AOG church though. Oh yeah, it is full gospel. But we are currently looking for the house. I haven't been here in ages. Oh, this one. It is here. Yeah. Oh, we found it, guys. Shout out to Zariah. We had to call to confirm that this was the house. But I came here years ago, and me and Taru were like literally, how many years? Was it just like 1 year?
Yeah. Oh, because it was conference day.
Yeah. Like, it was like a few months. We weren't really. We're freshly dating, and I came here with our pastor and the Sissy winger, Yolandi, and okay, we're gonna go in. It's them looking at us because Taru's not met them.
Oh yeah, I've only met Nana Philly when I was young as. So hopefully she remembers me.
I don't even know if Nana Philly's here. Okay, let's go guys. Are we in the right house?
Hello, baby.
Yo, and this is my wife.
Hello, I'm Sera. Guys, we're in the right place. Loud. Oh, winger. Oh. Oh. Oh, sorry, dear. Yeah. Oh, you're strong? Hello. Winger Leo. Yeah. So he must be named after his uncle. Are you named after Pastor Winger? Oh. Lai ngay foi. But lai oi pangoa. Eh. Oh my gosh. I know. Ole ulaya. Ôi mấy ơi. Toa, sit down. You want some Nana? Yeah, go show. Go show, yeah. Oh, careful. I'll do it.
Alright guys, so this is the right house. So it's so good to see the family. I haven't seen Nana Filu since I think. Oh, since I was little. Oh, actually, sorry. I've seen her like a little bit over the years, I think, like once or twice, but I remember her vividly when I was like young. This is the grave of, what would it be? Our great-grandparents, I think. There's a big ass familiar. And this guy, look at this guy. Hey! Come. Come to her. Come, baby. Come, we'll go have a look. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. When you come see your family, they'll make sure you know everything. So you know where your land is, who your family is, where the graves are, who's in their graves, you know, everything. So it's so good to come here. My first time being in Savaii. So very happy. Oh, man. So be careful. Come. Come on. Oh, get in my Jesus. Okay, holy. Oi. Look, baby. So cute.
Oh, are you talking?
Look at the baby.
Are you talking? Hi.
Bye, Toa.
That's okay. Bye. Come on, Toa. Say we come tomorrow. Say bye. Come tomorrow. Okay, guys. Eu me cai out. Fafia filmei. The house is so nice. Fakay so meow lo. Oo nga.
Ay, so. He's blowing a kiss.
So say bye bye.
Bye.
Go kay out.
Yes, mamuya sauce. Mamuya.
Say bye bye to her.
Bye everyone.
Oh,
Bye.
Can you go? Oh, no, you gotta go here.
Go right to the hotel.
Yeah.
Yo, what's up? Just gonna go check in. Bro, I feel out of place. This place is too nice.
Yeah, this place is nice as.
I love it. Yes, please. For revival, Siosi.
Oh, we were waiting for you.
Sorry.
Hi, TNS fam. We've just checked into oh my gosh, we got it like that. No jokes. Just jokes.
Guys, check out this room. Give a room tour.
2 queen beds. We've got Olivia walking in over there. Got a TV, some space, some storage space, fridge, kitchen stuff. Guys, the bathroom is where it's at. Look at the shower. Oh my, this is the whole shower. It's like a little sauna room. This is the shower head, and up there, it's like, there's no window. It just goes straight through to the sky. And there's another shower head up there. How amazeballs. That's amazing. The shower's massive. You can fit like my whole family in there. the whole village, mate. Anyways, this is how beautiful the room is. This is the garden room at Samoa Resort. The garden room at Samoa Resort.
How much was it? Let them know.
So it was never mind dollars. That's how much it was. Yeah, you can Google it. We booked 3 villa things. So it's room 20 right here, room 21 and room 22. And guys, I'll take you for a walk to the pool after. Let me just get ready for the pool and then we're gonna show you around. We're gonna take you guys to the pool.
Take them to the pool, sis.
Well, fans, it turns out we didn't Camilo. We actually just came checked in and got sorted, jumped in the pool. Look at this. Look at this. Look at the waterfall, water feature over here, whatever. We had lunch in there, fish and chips. It was actually, yeah, fam.
Okay guys, we're still swimming. Ethan, you like to swim? You like to swimming? Guys, you's gotta go to bed. Yeah. And we gotta go enjoy our time here at Samoa. So we're gonna end the vlog here. Bible, we're gonna end it here.
We're gonna end it here, guys.
What motivation do you gotta say to them?
Guys, you only live once.
You only live once. So what should they do?
You should go live your life.
Go live your life.
Anything that happens, that's just life.
Period.
It depends on how you react to it, not about what happens.
She said go book a flight. Go book a flight?
They said go book a flight. You want to go book it right now.
Book it right
now. I know you're thinking of it. Book it right now.
Don't think about it.
Don't think about it. Just do it. Thank you guys for tuning into today's vlog. Oh, look how amazing. We've got a live singer over there, guys. So beautiful. Anyways, thank you so much for tuning in. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye from Samoa.
So far, so far.
So far, so far. So far, so far.